The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 6:5:3. So let length is 6x, breadth is 5x and height is 3x. Total surface area is given 504 centimeter square. Formula for TSA: 2 times L into B plus B into H plus L into H. So 2 times 6x into 5x plus B into H, 5x into 3x plus L into H, 6x into 3x. So this value is equal to 504 centimeter square. So here you have to apply the concept of algebra, fundamentals of algebra, multiplication of monomials. 6x into 5x, 6x into 5x, 30x square. 5 into 3, 15x square. 6 into 3, 18x square. So now the next concept is adding like terms. All three are like terms with x square. 30 plus 15 plus 18, 63. 2 into 63 x square, 504. So 504 equals to 126 x square. So this gives x square equals to, this gives x square equals to 504 upon 126, that is 4. If x square equals to 4, then x equals to square root of 4, that is 2. And if x equals to 2, length is equals to, length equals to 12 centimeter, breadth equals to 10 centimeter and height equals to 6 centimeter.